expected to occur between 2 and 5 a.m. when passing showers will likely bring brief and very strong gusts. The following impacts are expected. Strong winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Travel will be difficult for high-profile vehicles. Strong winds may lead to property damage. Hazardous driving conditions due to powerful crosswinds will pose a serious risk for drivers, especially for lightweight and high-profile vehicles. Loose outdoor items should be brought inside or secured properly. This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado, Castle Rock and Byers, high wind warning remains in effect.